Hi my self-care buddies, how you guys doing? I am so sorry. I do apologize for disappearing. I think the last time I made a video or uploaded a video here was in May month. Yeah, I stand to be corrected, but yes, I do apologize. It's been a very strenuous time for me, especially as a creator, especially doing this kind of channel where you do self-care. It does require you from time to time to have money to buy stuff, and right now I'm only working on projects online, and they're not that lucrative, and they don't always pay. I'm unemployed basically, so it does make it difficult for me to do the things that I really want to do and show you guys and share with you guys, especially the reviews, because when it comes to reviews, I would think that many of us would like to hear from somebody who's just an ordinary person like I am, instead of always hearing reviews of certain products from celebrities or influencers or people that are well known. So I like to bring those products to you guys and test them out, and then let you know my opinion, if they've worked for me or if they don't work for me, so that you guys can go out there and try them for yourselves as well, or go and choose something else. So that does require me to have money, okay? But I really missed being here, and I will try my best to bring you guys videos as we go along, even if I do 1 or 2 videos a month, but I will try my best. Please don't hold me on to that. So if I don't talk about the self-care month, this would not be a self-care channel. But there is a I don't know if it's a campaign, but there is a 24th of June to 24th of July is self-care month. And self-care involves a lot of things. It's basically a holistic, basically it's just holistic. It does not only involve skincare or body care, but it's holistic. And one of the things that I have been doing since we moved last year July is walking. Walking has helped me a lot, especially also it was with my weight loss. It was one of the contributory factors into my weight loss. So I walk in the morning and I walk in the afternoon. Basically it's 15 minutes to go up and drop my daughter at school, and 15 minutes to come down. So I do that in the morning, and I also do that in the afternoon. So walking has been a huge part of my everyday life basically, and it also has helped me in terms of my health, because I am living with a chronic disease, which is high blood, and that requires you to do exercises from time to time to keep healthy as well, whilst you are also taking your pills. And that is also one of the things that I do, is to make sure that I take my pills for my high blood regularly. So yeah, walking basically is one, and it's healthy, you know, overall for anybody. If you like me, okay, I like yoga and I really don't like to exercise. It's something that I've really not cared a lot about. But walking for me can be really a stress reliever as well, because there is this nice corridor of trees that I like to walk. Basically that is a walkway to school, and you know, sometimes when I walk there, I have this little therapy session with myself where I just talk and rant and vent, say anything I want. I even pray on that corridor, And yeah, basically it has become a little therapy session for me in the morning and in the afternoon. There are people all obviously walking by whilst I'm also walking there. However, you hardly see other, a lot of people walking there, so I get that opportunity to say anything that comes that is, it was like just giving me stress or anxiety, and by the time I get home I just feel this relief, so it's such a good way. And I love the walkway in summer. It's so beautiful. The trees are so nice and green, and they just look like they are almost hugging you. So yeah, I can't wait for summer. But yeah, that is one of the things that I do to keep healthy. And as well as, like I said, taking my my pills, of course, every morning, to control my high blood pressure. And the other thing that I do is drink a lot of water. I'm a person who loves fizzy drinks, and we used to drink a lot of fizzy drinks. And when I stopped that, it also helped me a lot with my health, basically, because if I used to check on the, I think it's the IBS scale or calculator, I don't know, but before I lost weight, the results basically will always say that I'm obese, and that really bothered me. And I tried so many things to lose weight, but yeah, when we moved here and I started changing my diet and the way that I do things, and started exercising in the form of walking, that really helped with my weight loss as well. So I've said it before that self-care is holistic. It must be a holistic approach. You include everything in there. So self-care month is also based on those things: exercises, taking care of your health, limiting certain things like alcohol, tobacco, and stuff like that. So for me, it's been walking. It is taking my pills when I'm supposed to. It is also obviously during my walks I do my little therapy session, drinking lots of water. So I try and drink 500 ml in the morning, and then again maybe during the day, and also at night. I try to drink as much as I can, probably about 3 times, of those 500 ml bottles that I have. I try to drink 3 of those, or sometimes 4 if I really motivated that day. I try to drink 4 of those, and that will give me like 2 liters a day. So yeah, basically that's it. So I hope you guys are keeping well, and I hope you guys are taking care of yourselves health wise as well. And yeah, basically I am drinking my green tea as well, which is also something that helps health wise, and it cleanses you inside as well. And the other thing, because I'm now in my 40s, I also include collagen in my diet, just to help boost up inside my skin, my hair, the health of those things as well. So yeah, so I hope you guys take care of yourselves and just do some self-caring, which is a holistic approach. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.